Hi, my name is Karreen Martin, and I am a licensed acupuncture, esthetician, massage therapist, and an SRT practitioner for the past 20 years. So SRT, I use a pendulum, I use charts. What I actually do is find trapped emotions within the body, the physical body, the emotional body, the etherical body. From past life parallel universes, other dimensions, I find and locate programs, contracts, belief systems, and help remove them for your health and wellness. I want to tell you that each and every one of you, whether you know SRT or the anatomy of the body, it makes no difference. We are all practitioners within. So today I'm going to talk about the heart. Yes, we all have a physical heart. The heart is our fourth chakra. I love incorporating, as we set our intention for clearing, that we clear and balance out our chakras. I also like to know that the left side of the heart is more of our yang energy or our father energy, and the right side of our heart is more our yin or our mother energy. Or you can think of the heart, the top is more yang, the bottom is more yin. You can apply the green healing energy, the pink healing energy, or if you want red, you can apply red, but really the root chakra is red. But sometimes it might be hard to think of your heart as being green or pink. You can apply whatever color your angels and guides tell you to apply. I'm okay with that. So what we want to do here is we want to set our intention that we're going to heal our heart. When we heal our heart, I also want us to heal our lungs, because our lungs and our heart communicate with one another. And the energy I want to clear today is definitely the energy from our mothers and fathers that we received within the womb, days, weeks, months, years, and into our lifetime till the here and now. I want you to use your breath as part of your healing mechanism. So when I ask you to take a breath, I ask you to take a breath in, you'll hold, and then you'll release. It doesn't have to be that loud, but I do want it to be really long, slow, and releasing. What I want to do with our heart is clear all blocks to communication, because the heart's about feeling loved, feeling appreciated, and being valued. So let's go in and clear those blocks through our breath, setting our intention that as we heal it, we want to go back into our Akashic records. We also want to go into our mother and father energy and our grandmothers and grandfather energy, all our ancestral energy, for clearing blocks of the heart. Go ahead and take a breath. Whatever it means to you, your guides and angels know they should be of the highest vibration, the highest light. Take a breath. Let's breathe in compassion and breathe out forgiveness. Breathe in compassion. Breathe out forgiveness. Breathe in compassion. Exhale forgiveness. Whether we are dissatisfied with our life, the way our life is going, the job we have, let's go in and clear any programs we may have inherited from our mother and father that created challenges to loving ourselves, to expressing ourselves, to believing in ourselves. Let's clear them for our mother and father, their mothers and fathers. Let's clear hundreds and thousands of lifetimes that got genetically encoded to us. Let's clear our programs of dissatisfaction. Take a breath in. Take a breath in. Clearing all beliefs that we are dissatisfied with ourselves, with life, with God, with friends. One more breath. Release and let it go. Any blame. Maybe people have blamed us their whole life. Maybe we didn't do this, maybe we didn't do that, maybe we didn't support them, but the real truth of the matter is we didn't support ourselves. So let's go in and again, let's clear our ancestral and healing for our mother, our father, their mothers and fathers, 1, 10, hundreds, thousands of lifetimes for blame and shame. Please take a breath in. Take a beautiful breath in. Releasing all blame and shame, all layers, levels, lifetimes, clearing the pain, the suffering, and sadness surrounding it. Another breath in, please. Any self-criticism. If we're criticizing ourselves, we definitely learned it from some of our ancestors. Again, we can't blame them. We can't shame them. Life has been challenging, not only for us, but for our mom and our dad and their mom and dads. Probably for our siblings, our brothers and sisters. Some of us hide it. Maybe we drink, maybe we drug, maybe we oversex, maybe we overwork. We all do that as a protective mechanism. So let's go in and not judge one soul, but if we think of someone besides ourselves that has challenges and maybe they haven't communicated them to you, maybe it's just something you feel or you know, let's ask for healing for them as well. Let's take a breath in for all self-criticism. Take another breath in and hold. Let's ask our angels and guides of the highest vibration to find these programs of self-criticism, self-critiquing. Let's release it and clear it for you, your mother, father, your brothers and sisters, your aunts and uncles, cousins. Take a breath in and release. With all this energy, we've had a lot of silent suffering. It's not just you. It could be your children. It could be your mother, father. It could be your grandmothers and grandfathers. There's been a lot of suffering on this earth plane. So let's go in and let's ask for divine intervention for silent suffering. Suffering on all layers, all levels, and all lifetimes. Please take a breath in and hold. Take another breath in. Releasing all beliefs, perceptions, and judgments of suffering. Suffering on the mental, the emotional, the physical, and spiritual realms, and all layers and levels. Let's acknowledge it, release it, and clear it. Take another breath. Any disappointments in life? Let's go ahead and realize we came here to learn. We came here to experience, but it doesn't mean we have to be disappointed and suffer every minute of our life. So let's also acknowledge disappointments and challenges that we've experienced. Let's breathe in forgiveness and release love, or reverse, whatever you prefer. Take a breath in. As we breathe in and release, let's clear it for all of our ancestors. Let's go into our Akashic records. Let's clear any beliefs, perceptions, judgments on all layers, all levels, and all lifetimes. Thank you. Take one more breath in. Let's ask that the vital energy of the heart and of the lungs be upgraded. Take a breath in. Let's ask that all challenges to love, loving ourselves, feeling the love from our mother, our father, or our children. Let's go in and clear those blocks now. Let's clear all blocks to understanding, to feeling, to hearing, to seeing, and to letting go. Please take a breath in. Let go of all the stories you tell yourself of how unfair things are, how unjust things are. You're right, they probably are, but guess what? Let's shift the energy, let's shift the vibration, and let's allow love to flow into our life, all layers, levels, and lifetimes. Take a breath in. Please take another breath in. Letting go, removing and releasing. I'm going to ask, that's right, keep clearing and releasing. I'm going to ask for divine intervention, divine cleansing and divine healing. Take one more breath in. And thank our guides, our angels, our high self committees. Let's thank our body, our mind, our spirit, and our soul for allowing healing, to be open to healing, to receiving healing. Thank you. As this finishes, just keep laying there, taking a breath in, a breath out, a healing breath in, a healing breath out. Thank you.